Hello students, myself Sneh Suman and I am going to teach the students of class 5 the subject English 1, and today we are going to start the next chapter, the third chapter, and the name of the chapter is noun possession. Okay, see, look at the picture and read the sentence. This is Rohit's family. Raghav is Rohit's father. Riya is his mother. Lokesh is Riya's brother and hence Rohit's maternal uncle. See, here apostrophe is used. Apostrophe S is used. Means whose family is this? Rohit's family. So, whose father is this? Rohit's father is Raghav. Okay. Whose brother? Riya's brother. See, apostrophe S is used in everywhere. Whose maternal uncle? Rohit's maternal uncle. Okay. Now see, learning window. In the singular proper noun highlighted in the above sentence, an apostrophe and S has been added to show a relationship or to denote that something belongs to someone. Means apostrophe is S is used when the something the relation is belongs to someone. Okay, see this relationship, Rohit's families, whose families it belong to? Rohit. The family belongs to whom? Rohit. Okay, whose father? Rohit's father. The fathers belong to Rohit. Okay, see these things, these relationships are belonging to someone. Okay, that's why we use apostrophe. Okay, rules for using apostrophe. See the A number. We add an apostrophe and S after singular noun and people's name to show possession. See the example. That is Asta's cat. Asta is the name and it is used in the noun. So see the Astas. Asta, whose cat is it? These cats belong to Asta. So the apostrophe S is used. Okay. Now see. This is Ali's friend. Whose friend? The friends belongs to Ali's. So Ali is the name, is the noun. So the friends belongs to Ali. Okay. Now see, we add only an apostrophe after people's name, and that ends in S to show possession. Okay. We only use apostrophe. We don't put apostrophe and then S. We don't put when already the S is written in the name. Okay, in the name, if S is written already, then we just put the apostrophe. We don't write apostrophe and then again S. Okay, so the example, this is Harry's pen. See, in the name it is already S is written, so we will put only apostrophe. Okay, this is Julie's box. See, already Julie's S is written, so we will put only apostrophe mark. Okay, now see, we add only the apostrophe after plural noun that end in X to show possession. See, already girls. Girls is written, girls is plural. So we will put apostrophe. School. The school belongs to whom? The girls. So already girls S is written, so we will just put the apostrophe mark. Okay. Teacher's day. See, teachers here already teachers S is written, so we will give the only apostrophe mark. Whose day is this? The teacher's days. Okay. Now see, we add an apostrophe and S and after plural noun that do not end in S to show possession. See, children. There are many children are there. So we are just putting the apostrophe and S. See here, children's after children it is not written S. First we have given the apostrophe mark and then we have written S, and then films. Okay. Women's magazines. See, women's are the many women's are here indicating. So we are just women and then we are just putting the apostrophe mark and then we are writing SM and magazines. Whose magazine this belongs? This magazines belongs to the women's. Okay. Now see the exercise. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe and S to show possession. See, the first one is done for you. The brothers of Amita. Whose brother? So it is Amita's brother. See, Amita's brother, apostrophe S and brother. The dress of my mother. Whose dress? The dress belongs to whom? So mother's. So my mother's apostrophe S and dress. Okay. The house of Mr. Gupta. So whose house, this house belongs to whom? This is Mrs. Gupta's house. So you will write Mr. Gupta's apostrophe S and house. Mr. Gupta's house. The tail of the mice. Whose tail? The mice tails. So the mice apostrophe S and then tails. Okay. The hats of Maddie. Whose hat? The hats belong to whom? The Maddie. So Maddie and then apostrophe S and hats. The hair of the rabbit. Whose hair? The rabbit's hair. The rabbit's apostrophe S and then hair. Okay. Now do the homework. You will do this. Rewrite this group of words in plural. You have to write in the plural. The sheep's tails. Whose tail? You have to write in this way. The tail of the sheep. Okay. See, in this way you have to write. The sheep's tails. Whose tail? The tail of the sheep. The child's laughter. The laughter of the child. The lady's purse. The purse of the ladies. The deer's eyes. The eyes of the deer. The man's wallet. The wallet of the man. The boy's shirt. The shirt of the boy. Okay. I hope you have all liked my video. Thank you.